Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a special treat for you as we explore the best 70th birthday card for women on the market, the Yatufom Large 70th Birthday Card. If you're looking to celebrate a remarkable milestone with style and elegance, you won't want to miss this. This stunning card measures a generous 14 by 22 inches, making it a jumbo-sized greeting that's perfect for leaving heartfelt messages. With ample space for family and friends to sign their names and share their well wishes, this card truly encourages a personal touch on such an important day. Crafted from premium, thick cardboard, this card is both lightweight and durable. The clear printing and color-fast design ensure that the beautiful rose gold and black palette stands out, making it a memorable keepsake for the birthday girl. Plus, it comes with an elegant envelope for easy storage and transport, so you can rest assured it arrives in pristine condition. What makes the Yatufom card even more unique are its charming festive elements, balloons, fireworks, and even notable events from the year 1954. This thoughtful touch not only celebrates her 70 years but also sparks conversation, allowing everyone to reminisce about the past together. This card is incredibly versatile. It can serve as a traditional birthday greeting, a beautiful decoration, or even a photo prop at the party. After the celebrations, you could even frame it as a cherished memory of her milestone birthday. Imagine her delight seeing it displayed proudly in her home. Now, if you're in search of a gift that truly embodies love and thoughtfulness for your wife, mom, or a dear friend turning 70, this card checks all the boxes. Its captivating design and generous size make it the perfect addition to any birthday celebration. So, if you want to make her day extra special, look no further than the Yatufom Large 70th Birthday Card. You can find this delightful card on Amazon for just $9.99. It's an affordable yet impactful gift that she will treasure for years to come. So why wait? Head over to the link in the description below and get yours today. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about the memorable ways you've celebrated 70th birthdays. Until next time, keep celebrating those milestones with love and creativity. Bye for now.